Imagine believing your digital life, your most sensitive data, lived under one set of rules, safely within European borders. What if a major tech giant just admitted that might not be true at all? Microsoft, a company typically quite guarded when it comes to the nuances of data privacy, recently pulled back the curtain on a significant truth regarding your data. This isn't some leaked memo or whispered rumor. We heard this directly from Microsoft's chief legal officer for France, speaking openly and frankly before the French Senate. And what they revealed might just redefine how you think about cloud privacy, especially here in Europe. The blunt admission? Microsoft simply cannot fully protect European user data from access by US authorities. Yes, even if that data sits on servers right here in the EU. This isn't about malicious intent from Microsoft or a company trying to secretly pass your information along. Instead, it's about powerful US laws like the Patriot Act and the Cloud Act. These laws extend their reach far beyond American borders, compelling US-based companies to cooperate with government data requests, even for data held abroad. Think of it this way. Imagine you have a locked safe in your home, right here in Berlin or Paris. But a foreign government holds the master key, and by their laws, they can demand you open it, regardless of where that safe is physically located. Now, Microsoft tells us they do review every US request. They say they challenge the ones they deem illegitimate, and that's a good step. But here's the kicker. Once an order becomes legally sound under US law, they simply must hand over the data. And whether you, the user, even get notified about such access, that's entirely up to the US authorities. Microsoft cannot guarantee that transparency. It's a bit like being pulled over by the police, but only being told after they've searched your car, and only if they feel like telling you. This isn't just about your personal holiday photos or your Netflix watch history. This concern extends deeply into sensitive administrative data, affecting governments and public institutions across Europe. So, what does this mean for you, whether you're a private individual or a business relying on services like Microsoft 365, Azure, or OneDrive? It means if you use a US cloud provider, you absolutely have to factor in the possibility that your personal or business data could be shared with US authorities under specific circumstances, even if you chose a European data center specifically for privacy reasons. This revelation naturally prompts a question. For truly sensitive data, should we, as European users and businesses, start looking more seriously at European cloud providers? Or perhaps even consider setting up our own IT solutions? For our public sector organizations, this isn't just a suggestion. It becomes a critical compliance question. Do their contracts with US cloud services even meet national and EU data protection regulations in light of this? This isn't an attack on Microsoft. It's a wake-up call about the complex realities of data sovereignty in a globalized digital world. It pushes us to really consider where our data lives and under whose laws it truly falls. So what do you think? Does this change how you view your cloud services? Let us know your thoughts, and remember to subscribe to our podcast for more insights into the ever-evolving world of tech.